Harold, what are you doing? I'm waiting for my car. What? Oh, my mom says I can go to your house. Oh, right. But is that a real snail? I don't think so. I think that's a shape. Aha. Yeah, I can't go any further. Beep, beep. Oh, my car's here. Beep, beep, beep. Okay, let's go. Ha. Ha. Hey, wait for us. Yeah, we want to ride too. Ah, what's that? Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Geek. We're here. Yes, we're here. Hey, this is not my home. Of course isn't. It isn't. Why isn't my home or Harold? Because this is the movie. Yeah, you will understand when we get to this movie. Let's go. Wait, I have to promise you. Don't be afraid. I'm with you. Okay, let's go then. Ah, George! Ah! Boom, 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 boom. Whippy, we're here. Ah! We're what? We're here. Where's here? Oh, what's that? What's the people? Huh? We're in the past. What? We're in the past? Hey, don't shout. Mommy, who's that? I don't know, daughter. Hello, we're from the future. Oh, you're from the future? Yes, we're from the future. Okay. I think you were a girl. We're all same. Okay. So, do you want to play? We need something to do. Okay. Wow, a horse, you got lucky. Okay. But, wait a minute, you're a girl or a boy? I'm a girl. Me too. Okay, horsey. His name is Horsey. Yes. Come on. Ouch. Are you okay, darling? Ouch. Okay, darling, we need to go to the hospital, but there's no hospital here. You can go with us? Yeah, you can go in the future. I don't think so because here's our home and I don't know what's in there. Yes, I want to stay with mommy. You can come too, yeah. Nay. We need to get that. I think that's not a good idea. Mommy, we need to introduce ourselves. Okay. Hello, my name is Sally. And my name is Didi. And my name is Nini. My name is Nala. And mine is Didi. Okay, you are Didi. No, I'm Nini. Okay, then you're Nala. No, she's Nala. You're all same. Hey, but where's little yellow and little blue? I don't know. Who's little yellow and little blue? There's a plate like a snail. Okay, this is my house with my daughter. And this is my house with my mommy. And there's an extra room for you. Oh, thank you. Come on, George. Come on, Harry. I want to go to the future. Yes, me too. I want to go to home. Me too. Hey, you said let's go here. Oh, yeah, but not forever. Yeah, we didn't say that. Oh, don't go, please. I am not like you. But we need to go. Sorry. One day, please. Only one day. Oh, sorry, but then our parents will be mad. Oh, okay, that's the problem. Okay, bye-bye. We have a surprise for you. Ba-bum-bum. Okay, we're in the past, so we're gonna go to the future. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, everyone. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That was fun. You say you're not going. Oh, Harold, is that your mom and dad? Oh, yeah, I need to go. Bye-bye, let's play again sometime. Bye-bye. Oh, there's our car. My car.